So here's Wombo Me AI Avatar Maker app. So you can just open it up, and actually you can use this app as a guest, so you don't need to create your account. So if you want, you can create your account with Google or Apple, but then you can just skip, and then for example you can just tap and create the, all right, so seems you just can't do it. Actually you can just browse it as a guest, but then if you really wanna you know, just use the packs, and then you just really need to sign in with Google or Apple. And then when you just sign in, so it's super easy, it's free app, and then you can just sign in there and then just create all the packs you want. And then yeah, you can just take a selfie, and then you can retake photo, and then it will start generating the new photo. So yep, something around that. In a free version, sometimes it just takes a bit more time to generate photos, but then you can just see the photos, and then you can just see them and generate it like that. So yeah, something like that, which you can try it out. And then you can just check your images anytime in the gallery, or you can just share them. And the cool thing about this app is that this is actually a free app. I don't know how they're paying their bills, but maybe they're just running some promotion, but there you have it.